I am Akraman. I am not Akraman, Akraman. I am Mumbai's very own superhero. I am at Comic Con Mumbai. You NH7 people have been following me for a while now, so I've decided to maybe help you a little to know about this new Comic Con thing, because this is the first time I've been here too. I mean, all these stalls and all. Now, I mean, it is difficult to really tell you about what this is, because most of this is all they are all comics. They are all little fake. I'm real. You see, I'm real. So, I am in flesh and blood. I'll try to show you around. This looks like an interesting place. They shouldn't ever make a comic out of me like this. Nobody will take me seriously then. Nobody. A lot of people are looking like me here. I'm feeling little uncomfortable about that. I'm feeling little uncomfortable that you people are following me also. Street Fighter, isn't that a video game?
It also was a movie.
It was a movie also. Ah, that's good. But no mask.
They
Nothing.
need one.
Are you a superhero? I am. I'm a superhero. Oh, I'm real. I'm Mumbai's superhero. Akraman. Interesting. What is this? These are the fake superheroes. Don't show me all this, please. This is an insult. It's a very dangerous place. What is all this going on? What is all this?
Are you afraid?
Afraid of this? I can break this. I won't do it right now. I won't do it right now. This is not even real. I mean, really. These people are not that dangerous, but they look pretty dangerous. I am dangerous. I may not look dangerous. Understand? I fight crime in the night. In the day I sleep. So I'm a little irritated right now. So, I mean, I'm supposed to be sleeping right now. I don't like all this. But it's good. People know about me now. No. I will only come to my own city's Comic Con. Yes. But I think that's a cool mask. I should maybe use it sometime. Are you enjoying this place?
Actually, yes.
Good?
Yeah.
It's nice that nobody recognizes you, no?
Yes.
And nobody will also.
Unless I say my name.
No, even nobody knows my name either. That's good. We all are one of a kind. So, I just came out of Comic Con right now. I felt like I was at home for a bit. There were a lot of people like me roaming around. I saw a lot of new comics, new graphic novels. There is this Angry Moshi thing which I found quite funny. Then there was it reminded me of my childhood, all this Amar Chitra Katha and Tinkle and lot of things. I cannot say where I was born, but this all reminded me of my childhood. And so much color around. Lot of people were dressed as very popular superheroes. Maybe next year they'll be dressed as me. All this Batman and Spider-Man, maybe Akraman next year. But I will definitely come back next year too. Hopefully I'll be protecting another city by then, so maybe in Bangalore and Delhi. But it was a good experience so far, and I would definitely recommend this for anyone who doesn't know about me or who doesn't know about my world or the comic world or the graphic novel world.